What's up guys, it's Luis back at it with another unboxing. This time I'll be unboxing the Air Jordan 1 High OG red metallics. I do have the blue metallics and I could do a video just comparing them too. So as you can see, it's a Nike box since you got that tape right here. So let's get right into it, I guess. Got this a long time ago. But yeah, I haven't been able to open it at all because I didn't have time. Hopefully I speed up the video here. See, you got your receipt for the receipt police. There we go. You got the box. You can see Jordan 1. I gave you this. You don't need that. Throw that away. Oh, fail. But yeah, so let's get right into it. Oh, they're falling apart. Let me take this box away. So as you always get the Air Jordan 1 in this black and red now. Obviously only the OGs. So there we go. You get the Nikes all over the box. As always, in the back you get the 1985 Air Jordan 1. A little bit more things there. On the bottom you get this. There we go. The tag right here, size 10. Obviously I only have size 10. I would say go true to size. That's the tag. So this from Nike, so it's gonna be legit. Usually when you want to tell if it's fake, this gap right here should be a little bit bigger. There shouldn't be this just bigger print over here. It'll be longer, but it would be facing over here a little bit, and then the tag should be removed like that. So if you want to know what's fake and real, should be like that. Should have the price tag over there, $160, and then this here, the description: Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, white varsity red. There you go. Well, yeah, made in China. Typical box. Let's see, you have a stamp. Yep, we got a stamp right there on top of the box. You got a Nike check right there. You got that white paper, tissue paper, whatever they call it. You can see right here we got the Air Jordan 1 metallic reds. Got laces there. Let's take a look of it real fast. Smells just like everyone. Smells like ones. If you ever bought in one, it smells exactly the same. Should smell glue, pretty much. See right there, metallic. It's not that metallic like the blue ones. It's like more plastic thing, not metallic at all. My bad. Leather wise, almost feels. I don't know. Feels a little bit better maybe. It might feel the same. I might have to check on that. But it is kind of soft. You can see the wrinkles coming through there. You can see right there. So the whole shoe is white. You just got red on the Nike swoosh right here, on this, on the Air Jordan, on the back of the heel on top, on the other side of the Nike. On the bottom you get that red too, although that also basic shoe. You got your Nike Air on top with the R right here and the R on the other side. Go mesh tongue, less soft material. You get your white laces already put it on there. Take the shoe tree. You can see you got your Nike Air. Let me take out the tag because it's pretty close. There you go, Nike Air. At the bottom there's some writing, and you can see that. Has stitchings right there and taped on. Let's see if I can get you the tag from the inside. There's the tag, size 10. Yeah, basic shoe really looks good. You got the extra laces right there, the red. Leather's pretty okay. It's pretty nice. Like, it takes a while to get back, which that means that's pretty good. Well, yeah, it's pretty nice. Laces. This kind of dyed. I don't know what's wrong with this. It's like the color dyed itself with the white. You can tell. Not completely white. It's like an issue right there, I guess. But yeah, it's a pretty nice shoe. I like it. Simple to wear, obviously. Just white and red. Good colors. Personally, I think I like the blue metallics a little bit better. But I mean, these are not that bad actually. You can actually find these for lower than what I paid, $160, which I paid when they came out at the Nike website or Nike app, the sneaker apps, whatever you call them. Looks like I have a little problem right here. They didn't color it that well, but I mean, whatever. Just shoes, I guess. I don't really care. But yeah, it's a basic shoe, white shoe with red. Obviously, leather looks pretty okay, decent. I'll probably do a video on these and the metallic blues just to compare them, but they look pretty nice. Looks like this one has a little bit more tumble leather right here than the other side, which looks pretty nice. It's a pretty nice shoe, I can't lie. Alright guys, I guess this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video, and I'll see you guys. Peace.